क्या है कॉमरेड्स? क्या ये 89 किलोमीटर की दौड़? नहीं। क्या पहाड़, दर्द और थकान? नहीं। कॉमरेड्स वो एहसास है जब सड़क पर दोनों तरफ लाखों लोग आपका नाम भी नहीं जानते, फिर भी आपके लिए चिल्लाते हैं, कम ऑन रनर, यू कैन डू इट। कॉमरेड्स वो जगह है जहां से हर 100 मीटर पर कोई आपका हौसला बढ़ा रहा होता है। बच्चे, बुजुर्ग, परिवार, पूरा साउथ अफ्रीका सुबह से शाम तक सिर्फ एक ही काम करता है, आपको फिनिश लाइन तक पहुंचाना। दुनिया में बहुत सी रेस है, लेकिन ऐसी दीवानगी, ऐसा प्यार, ऐसा समर्थन कॉमरेड्स के अलावा कहीं नहीं। ये सिर्फ एक रनर्स की रेस नहीं, पूरे मानवता का उत्सव है।
Good morning, friends. It's 14 November, the D-Day today. Almost ready. Bib number you can see G27554. All set, guys. All set. अब जितनी तैयारी थी, all we have done. Getting ready for the last moment. Tying my shoes. So this is what I am ready now. Bag ले लिया है मैंने. We have waited for this day since last 4 months. रजिस्ट्रेशन 2.5 मंथ हुआ था, बट दिमाग में कहीं ना कहीं 3 महीने 3.5 महीने पहले आ गया था कि ये रन करना पड़ सकता है। तो हमने उसके लिए अपने आप को मेंटली प्रिपेयर करना स्टार्ट किया था और आज अभी चलेंगे ब्रेकफास्ट एरिया में।
जस्ट केम फॉर द ब्रेकफास्ट गाइस, कीपिंग इट वेरी लाइट। जो प्रैक्टिस के टाइम पे हमने इम्प्लीमेंट किया वही खाने वाले हैं, क्योंकि प्रैक्टिस के टाइम पे मैं मोस्टली एम्प्टी स्टमक या बहुत ही बनाना ही छोटा मोटा ही खा के जाता था। तो आज भी सम बनाना एंड हनी सजेस्टेड बाई सम प्रो रनर्स, तो वो हम थोड़ा ट्राई कर रहे हैं और कुछ दिनों से। एंड लिटिल बिट ऑफ ओट्स एंड मिल्क, नथिंग एल्स। ओट्स मिलेट्स है, वही बस खाएंगे और इसके बाद यहाँ से डायरेक्ट चल पाएंगे। टाइम हो गया है 3:49, सो 5 मिनट में निकल जाएंगे।
So good morning guys, good morning. So Indian runners are ready for today's 85.77 kilometer of comrade runners. So all the best.
Thank you, buddy.
All the best. 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 And all the best. तो आज का रन अभी होने वाला है शुरू हमारे लिए। अभी जहाँ से जाएंगे होल्डिंग एरिया पे, किसी का 1 का लाइनअप है, किसी का ग्रुप 2 का लाइनअप है, बट सब लोग साथ में जा रहे हैं। देखते हैं कैसा वहाँ पे रहता है। दिस इज़ माई फर्स्ट एक्सपीरियंस, तो विल शेयर एवरीथिंग। कितना क्राउड रहता है, 20,000 प्लस रनर है, 22,000 प्लस रनर है, कितना क्राउड रहता है, कैसे मैनेज होता है, एवरीथिंग। सो लेट्स स्टे टुगेदर एंड रन टुगेदर। ऑल द बेस्ट गाइस। चलो सुपर। गुड मॉर्निंग कोच।
Good morning.
9 hour bus. If you want to finish your run within 9 hours and get a medal of Bill Robin. Bill Robin. Follow the pacer 9 hour Amit Kumar.
Yeah.
Lineup.
Lineup D.
Lineup B. Group A.
जिनको भी ज्वाइन करना आप ज्वाइन करो, और ये लोगों का सपना होता है बिल राउंड के लिए। एंड ऑल द बेस्ट टू ऑल द इंडियन कॉमरेड्स, ऑल्सो ऑल ओवर वर्ल्ड कॉमरेड्स।
And in the Comrades run, you will get pacer right from 7:30 to 12 hour. Each 30 minute slot, 2 pacers are there. You can follow either of them. Normally the pacers, one pacer at the tail, one pacer at the start, and you need to keep in between both of them. So that's the strategy of pacing. So let's start our journey from here now. Hi. This is Group 3. We have reached to the venue. Group 3 lineup, NPQR, and the runners are moving towards their start point, guys. Oh, this is super. All the best, all the best. Lots of runner riders. The roads are full with the runners only. All the best. Got a hell lot of traffic. So reach early on the venue in your lineup. हम थोड़ा लेट हो गए इसके लिए। So we have found our group 1 EFG.
Oh, EFG.
I'm G. G for good, better, best. चलो, let's move towards the line, guys. Let's move towards the line. These all are group 1 EFG people. Mine is G lineup, guys. I'm at G, and these all runners have already arrived here. entered. So the G May will go a little bit ahead.
So anyone in the back, save it for Fields Hill first office. So that's open number 1, I believe, 5.
Then on the just looking at our time, the Miss Happy said to our waiting, it is 4:30, 6, 7 and 9 in our week. 6, 7 and 9. 4:30, 13 minutes to go for Elephant Way to 45 minutes for Route 2 match, and then an hour for that last match. Put that out in that corner, Mr. Fukuda. Put it down, count 3 in. Second, okay. As I said, it's out of
Thank you. Kishore from India. ऊपर तो क्या एडवाइस है हमारे लिए आज का ऊपर जाएंगे तो थोड़ा ठंडा होता जाएगा यहाँ से कंपैरेटिवली थोड़ा कोल्ड रहेगा चलिए बढ़िया बढ़िया थैंक यू The crowd is crazy here. Not just. Finisher. Your name's a John. Oh, so he's going to attempt his 14th one, and he wish me luck. So definitely, I'm going to finish strong. The run has begun at just 5 a.m. guys. Next 12 hours is going to be crucial for all of us. Let's start our run. We have started our clock because it's a gun time, not the ship time start.
There you go, you're underway. The 99th running of the Comrades Marathon. When you come by the start line, say hello.
Masia Tanzania Karam, Masia Tutu, Kitona, Metcalf members in the house.
Have a great run out there. Go, 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 go. You look amazing.
China, Boy Scouts, and then Martin American. It is your day here at Comrades. Go, go, go! It's your day this month. podcast going on in this room. Our podcast going out around the world on YouTube also. SABC. Show the world this beautiful Comrades Marathon. The 5 days here, the 78th final, South Africa. You are absolutely magnificent. You are wonderful. You guys are born for the life.
So the run has finally started along with 21,900 plus runners on the roads of Durban. And we are going to run 85.77 kilometers. Be careful, got lots of bottles on the road. So start following the roads, guys. And different countries, different religions, different, but only one survivor. So I don't know whether you can see or not. जहाँ तक मेरी नजर जा रही है, I can see the runners only ahead of me and behind me. So awesome. So awesome crowd, guys. So let's control ourselves, because this crowd will infuse some energy in your body which will make you run faster. And actually we are on a slight uphill, not a hill but elevation. So let's be consistent and let's run strong. Let's go and focus on some run, because this kind of atmosphere will continue for another couple of kilometers. So first flyover, climbing the first flyover at 1.43 kilometers. Huh. 1.46 climbing first flyover, and only 85 kilometers remaining now. Only is the very positive word for entire next 12 hours, which we are going to follow. We'll follow what not done, what's going to remain only. So, from where you are?
Here from Joburg.
Germany, and this is your what number of attempt?
Number 7.
Number 7.
Devil.
So, guys, this is awesome, because whosoever I'm meeting from whatever country maybe, they are coming, everyone or most of them have done multiple times.
What number yours?
Mine is first time, that's why I'm more excited. And sure. Let's go.
Will you enjoy it, buddy?
Yeah, sure. Thank you. So this is the spirit, guys. If you come once, you will come again, and you will run again.
100%.
That's the spirit of Comrade. That's why it's 99th edition, and next year you are going to run 100th edition of the legacy, the mighty Comrade Marathon. Let's go, guys. See the runners. Everyone, multiple numbers. 18 number. Super. Yeah, thank you. So 19th attempt, your name, ma'am?
Yeah, this is number 19 for me. So the tip here is, today is easy, tomorrow is not easy. To get out of bed tomorrow is the most difficult part of the race.
Fabulous message. Thank you. Thanks for inspiring.
Enjoy it, eh?
Thank you. You made my day. Thank you.
Cheers, eh?
So first water station crossed at 4 kilometer, and the water was supplied in a pouch, plastic pouch, which is just enough for one sip or couple of ghoot, what we call it. So Takis, you should not waste more waters. Just grab a bottle and then throw like the normal events. So nice thought process, just enough for one time, and get another in the next 2 kilometers. So 4 kilometers done. We are on the first downhill of this route, and the crowd cheer is awesome. Now a little bit of space on the road because of faster people went ahead, and average people like us are cruising consistently. So it's 32 minutes, 4.26 kilometers. We started we crossed the start line at 5:03. Almost 3 minutes took to cross the finish line, but we started our watch with the gun time. So there are polybags, the polythene pouches on the road, so be careful. I just stepped on the one, and there were few water in that polybag, and it blew on my face. So let's start, guys. Let's focus on run. Currently on a downhill. Chalo, good. Let's focus on the run downhill. Super. Good running, guys. 5 kilometer run, guys. 5.3, and time is 38:58. 38 minutes 58 seconds. And so till now, it's been a rolling journey. Ups and downs, which we are cruising consistently 647, sometime on downhill around 6. So this is the strategy what we are following now. Now the people or all the runners have settled down. So some are cruising still fast, some are walking, jogging and running. But fabulous. Only runners, nobody else.
Welcome to the Sparkport Water Station. And we have another bus driver coming through with all his passengers. Well done with you guys. Has anybody seen Bernie Ball? Well done there, guys. Hilton. Hey, a little bit more and you'll be home. Well done there, guys. Well done to you. Waterfall, City of Bushra. Hey, well done, runners. Well done to the run zone. Welcome to the Sparkport Water Station, guys.
Lots of water on the road.
Run, walk,
And
alive.
polybags as well. So be careful.
Well done there.
Second water station.
Forward, Savages.
Super. Pacer
Hi, how are you?
10:30.
Good,
I'm good.
yourself?
I'm also doing fine, so thank you. And thanks for pacing us.
Thank you.
We'll try to stick to your bus.
Hop in, hop on.
Hope for the best. And life is on hope only. Let's go. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Enjoy it.
10:30 bus.
Welcome.
Bus is.
India. Are you from India?
Yeah, I'm from India.
Enjoy.
India.
Excuse me, to the right, to the right.
Oh,
Excuse to the right.
hello.
Thank you.
Oh, super. Let's go, guys. This bus is full and the driver is strong. The bus driver is super strong. Let's go. Easy, India, easy. Easy the ball. Let's go. The crowd cheer, guys. And we are on a downhill. So let's stick to the bus. Let's not be in hurry because the bus will take us to our destination. So 10 kilometers done and cruising consistent. The time is 1 hour 11 minutes and we are on the roads of M13. So अच्छा चल रहा है, अभी तक थोड़ा डार्क है. So let's focus on the road till it's dark. Once we get the sunlight, we'll feel a little bit comfortable. Let's go, guys. Lots of running right now, walking, jogging, whatever they can do. We all are doing that. Pirates.
Okay.
So walk run is a strategy for this particular race. 10-15 steps walk and then little bit of jog. That's hello. Hello. It's going good. Going good. Yeah. So far so good.
That's good.
Let's see. Super. So let's read the bib. The first top is the sponsor's name, Trusty. Then the Comrade Marathon, year 2026. Your number, bib number. If you are less than 10, then it will be blue. If you are more than 10, you will be a green bib holder. Your age in the big bottom right corner. In the middle one, you see a number which says medals. So that is basically how many medals you have already earned. And your lineup. Lineup is on the left bottom. So that's how the informations are on the bill. $75 kilometers to go more. Oh, done with more than 10 kilometers, guys. It's almost 11 kilometers. Oh, super. Like this, we will only do the remaining distance. Let's go. Super, sir.
Yes, sir.
Oh. So Anthony, you are celebrating your silver jubilee run.
Exactly.
Oh,
My 25th.
I saw your bib.
Yeah.
And
Thank you so much.
Go India!
so India.
Welcome to South Africa, right? Welcome to South Africa.
Thank you, Anthony.
Enjoy your run, man.
My first madam.
Oh, well done, eh?
I'm kid in front of you.
Hey, I'm telling you.
So,
Have a good one, eh?
congratulations for your silver jubilee.
Hey.
Yes, thank you, Anthony. Thank you. So, silver jubilee people are also here, and yesterday we met one golden jubilee guy as well. Luis. So this run will teach you that you are nowhere, man. You are nowhere. You are just kid in front of this fabulous, awesome, and consistent runners coming from all across the world. And we have just begun our journey. Super. What's your name, sir?
Gary.
Gary, and you are from?
Johannesburg.
Johannesburg, South Africa? Yes. Super, Gary. Let's run. So the crowd is awesome. You can see the crowd. This is not just another ultra marathon, 90-kilometer run. You can do anywhere in the world and more tougher than this. But this is a carnival, this is a festival for which we are here. Thank you. Sure, let's go guys. See the runners. Oh. 10-hour pacers. So this bus is completely full. At least till now. Let's see how this bus moves ahead. Lots of runners. Super.